Empty bottles, messy bed, clothes are hanging off the shelf.
You have a camera in the back window?
Yeah.
Together, it
Been a
actually
mess since you left. Watching screens, closing shades,
in and around. Go to
drinking, eating by myself.
We're skipping.
Haven't left here in days.
Keep going. We'll go to the left.
Been a mess since you left.
That's
I've
nice.
been keeping all your boxes in case you ever wanted to move back in again. But it's been a while and I think I need to clean my room. The space you left inside me too. I'll get your clothes out the drawers and floor. Get your love out the door before I show this place to someone new. I think I need to clean my room.
6.09 Alpha 13996.
Wash the windows and the paint. Get the dust off my chest. Found the letters that I gave you. You didn't take when you left. Oh, you left all of your boxes. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you, 'cause there's so many ways that I want to carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets in the mountains, find luck like a bet in Greek fountain.
you have to do is you have 87, 89 octane, and this is 100.
Okay.
This will make your car really go fast.
Oh, have you tried?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, did you really?
Let's go inside. It's 232.
Yeah.
Almost the same.
Which means it's a good thing, right?
Yeah, like I can take a temperature reading in here. See, like that's 107, 164 degrees in there. Go this direction. It's 178. So I just wanted to check. You know, you can check the wheels and see how hot the wheel is. Yeah, a little bit. 78. Things are cool. Start closing the doors.
Yeah.
I always do this so I can pull it out next time.
Oh, I see.
I just have it ready to go.